All right, y'all, so it's like day 4 after New Year's. This has been my lunch and my breakfast. Y'all not gonna see me, your girl, in the streets no more. I'm not wilding. I'm not gonna be eating out. We're gonna try to get these vegetables popping, but I have some yumminess for y'all to watch. So here you go, and let's get into it. I introduced to y'all red velvet cheesecake brownies made from scratch. First, you're gonna start off with 1 cup of sugar. Then add 1/4 cup of Hershey's unsweetened cocoa powder. Then 1/2 cup of melted butter. Then add 2 eggs. Now I'm going to go in with some red food coloring, and you can kind of just go in with as much as you like based on how red you want your brownies to look. Now I'm going to go in with 3/4 cup of flour. Then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of our classic vanilla extract. I don't know about y'all, but I like my brownies to be a bright red, so I'm going to go back in with some more red food coloring. Alright, y'all, so this is the most important part. You're going to take a small amount of your brownie batter and you're going to save it off to the side for our brownie decor. To ensure that our brownies don't stick to the pan, I'm going to take some vegetable oil and rub it all across the pan. To make sure the brownies really don't stick, I'm just going to add just a little bit of flour, and this will also help them not stick to the pan. Now just shake the flour all around the pan just to make sure that you have an even layer all across the pan. Now I'm going to take my favorite spatula and just start spooning the brownie batter all around the pan. Now for the cheesecake, you're going to take 1 pack of your 8-ounce Philadelphia cream cheese and add it to your bowl. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of sugar. I don't know about y'all, but I like mine sweet, so instead of 1/4 of sugar, I use 1 cup. Now let's go ahead and give this a quick mix. Now for one of our final ingredients, we're going to go ahead and add 1 egg. Now y'all know we can't forget about the flavor to the cheesecake, so go ahead with your 1 teaspoon of your classic vanilla extract. Now on to the fun part. We're going to go ahead and layer our cheesecake over our brownie batter. Now to help with this process, you can go ahead and take a spatula and spread it all around the pan. Now for our decor, we're going to take that brownie batter bowl that we saved, and we're going to take little droplets and drop little drops all around the pan. Now I'm going to take a skewer stick and just make small circles all around the pan to create our swirls. Keep in mind, our swirls do not have to be perfect. We just want to create little small swirls just so that we create a marble effect. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my Ninja air fryer oven to about 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Now we have delicious red velvet cheesecake brownies. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out, and subscribe for more yummy videos. And thanks again for watching, guys.